Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan, Assistant Professor MIT Aurangabad, presenting my video on the topic change to polar and evaluate. Let us see the example. Change to polar and evaluate double integration of x cube with respect to xy over the interior of the circle x square plus y square minus 2x equals to 0. This is the given equation of the circle. Finding its center and radius, comparing this equation with that general form of the circle. Therefore, we get to g equals to minus 2a. It implies g equals to minus a. 2f equal to 0. It gives you f equal to 0. And the center is minus g minus f. Therefore, minus of minus, we get plus a and 0. A0 is the center on x-axis and radius is root of a square, that is a. And then interior part of that circle is the region of integration. Therefore, we share that region. Complete. Then making a strip parallel to, not parallel, elongated strip whose lower end is on the pole and upper end on that pole, we get that strip elongated strip. Then converting this equation in terms of polar form, we put x square plus y square is equals to 2ax. X square plus y square is nothing but r square and 2a, x is r cos theta, and it gives you r is equals to 2a cos of theta. And therefore, we have mentioned that equation here as r is equals to 2a cos of theta, equation of that circle. And then we try to evaluate that double integration x cube with respect to xy by converting it in terms of polar. X is r cos theta and its cube, and dx dy is r dr d theta. R changes from 0 pole to that circle, it is r is equal to 2a cos theta, and limit changes from theta equal to 0 to theta is equals to pi by 2. Theta is equals to 0 to theta is equals to pi by 2. It gives the upper part area only. We require complete region, therefore making twice, and therefore it is equals to 2 times integral from 0 to pi by 2 taking cos cube theta outside the integral sign, inner integral sign, it is cos cube theta, integral from 0 to 2a cos theta, r raised to 3 into this r, it becomes r raised to 4, and its integration with respect to r. And then perform first with respect to r, and if we call this as integral I, and therefore I becomes 2 times integral from 0 to pi by 2 as it is, integration of cos cube theta will keep as it is, r raised to 4 is r raised to 5 divided by 5, and limit from 2a cos theta d theta and therefore it is 2 by 5 constant term as it is, 0 to pi by 2 as it is, cos cube theta as it is. Substituting the upper and lower limit, upper limit is 2 raised to 5 a raised to 5 cos theta raised to 5 minus lower limit 0, and then its integration with respect to theta. Therefore 2 raised to 5 into 2, it becomes 2 raised to 6 e raised to 5 by 5, integral from 0 to pi by 2 cos theta raised to 8, 5 and this 3, and then taking its value by reduction formula, 2 raised to 6, it is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 cube and its square, therefore it is 64 e raised to 5 by 5. Applying that reduction formula, 7 by 8 decreasing by 2 both the terms, we get 5 by 6, again decrease by 2, we get 3 by 4, 1 by 2, last term is 1 by 2 into k, as here it is even, we consider the value of k as pi by 2, and therefore simplifying it, 5 get cancelled, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, and therefore it is 8, cancel with this 8, and therefore we have 7 e raised to 5 pi by 2 to the 4 as the required answer. Therefore, the value of that double integration over that circle after converting it into polar form is 7 a raised to 5 pi divided by 4. Okay. If you are watching my videos, please like and share it, as well as subscribe to my channel for latest updates or new videos. Thank you very much.